That could be your content popping up in the top search of YouTube. Here's 5 reasons why you should create evergreen content and post videos about it on YouTube.
There's only one of you, only one of me.
Let's talk evergreen content. What is evergreen content? Have you heard that? Let me read to you a definition that I found that I really love. Evergreen content is search optimized content that is continually relevant and stays fresh for readers over a long period of time. As the name implies, it's evergreen. Forever. Have you seen the evergreen forest? Gorgeous. Anyways, you may think that all online content is sustainable. After all, a blog post doesn't just disappear after you publish it, but evergreen content is very different. It continues to be relevant long past its publication date, with search traffic growing over time. So evergreen content is intentionally created, never-ending content. It's something that people are always going to want to know. Okay, so what content could you create for your niche that could be evergreen? I want to give you 5 reasons to create evergreen content. And I want to say creating evergreen content on YouTube. I am obsessed with YouTube. Did you know YouTube is the #2 search engine next to Google, of course. Google bought YouTube. They are brother and sister now. And literally when you go to Google and you search for that pair of shoes or that topic on rocks, you're going to have options to watch a YouTube video in top search. Get excited. And that could be you. That could be your content popping up in the top search of YouTube. Here's 5 reasons why you should create evergreen content and post videos about it on YouTube. Number 1, it drives prospects to your sales funnel. Get excited. Number 2, continually drive traffic to your website. I would even go as far to say, like, don't only post your content on YouTube, but post it on your personal website. Create a blog post about it. Put your video in that blog post. Create audio. From your audio, create text copy to post in that blog. So, because some people want to watch a video, some people want to listen to it, and some people want to read about it. So there's a lot of different dynamics. So you can multi-purpose your evergreen content in blog, video, and audio. If you have a podcast, I have a video on that. If you want to start a podcast, I'll link that below. But back to the 5 reasons why you should create evergreen content. Number 3, improve search engine rankings. You want to rank on Google? Let's do that. And number 4, position your brand as an industry leader. It positions yourself when you have all of these things working together. You position yourself as the expert and you are bringing the content, because if they find you first, then you're going to be their go-to in this area of whatever you're talking about. Number 5, connect your audience on social media. You can create so much from evergreen content. And I love to say I start on YouTube. Do it on YouTube. Post a video about whatever you're talking about. Create your funnel with, there's a lot of things that you can create your funnel with. This is amazing. Those are 5 reasons alone. Literally, go create content. This video is specifically on evergreen content to tell you about it. And I want to go so deep into this. Go ahead and click below. I'm going to show you why you want to use YouTube to create your evergreen content for your business. YouTube for business. Evergreen content is in there. Let's talk about it. I'll see you in the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this because I'm gonna have a lot more videos on these topics. So if you have any questions about this, please link or post below in the comments your questions. If I said something that you want me to expound on, post that in the comments and I will read them and I'll reply with a video, or I will just quickly reply to you in text. But thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Go watch the YouTube for business video. I'm really excited about that one. Lots of tools are going to be in that one. So I'll talk to you later.